Hello everyone. In today's video, there is a big news from Airtel. So Airtel is now offering Perplexity Pro free for all their users. Specifically for Indian users, it's now free. So in this video, I'm going to cover today what is Perplexity Pro and how you can activate if you are an Airtel user. In short, I can tell you Perplexity AI is not just a chatbot. It is a AI powered answer engine that fetches the real time source backed conversational answers to your questions and give you the answer in few seconds. To know more about it, you can just go to the link in the video description. There's an article listed over there with a complete overview and detailed information about this AI chatbot. So the video specifically is for the Airtel users how they can activate Perplexity Pro for free on their subscription. I will let you know that how you can activate Perplexity Pro subscription for free if you are a Airtel user by using your Airtel mobile app. So let's jump into the mobile screen.
Alright, so let's navigate to the Airtel app. So I'm just going to open my Airtel app here. Alright, so once the app is open, you can see in the top left there's a three ellipses menu option there. You just need to click on it and then scroll down a bit. You will see rewards and OTTs. Expand it. There's an option called rewards. You just need to click on rewards. So on the rewards, you can see there's an option collect rewards. If you just hover here and there, you will see there is a tile which will tell you about AI unlocked for you free Perplexity Pro worth rupees 17,000. So there's an option here, claim now. If you can see that, just you to click on claim now and it will take you here in that screen. But for me, you can see that you claimed rewards because I've already done that today, and I don't have an option here again to do that. But you probably will get an option here to click and continue, and when you do that, it will take you to the sign up page of Perplexity Pro website on your mobile screen, where you can just sign in using your Google account, or you can continue with your email that you wanted to go with. Enter your email and it will send a code to your email address for verification.
So now you see that how easy is to activate Perplexity Pro subscription for Airtel users. If you are a Airtel user, I'm sure that this video will gonna help you. This chatbot will help you in your daily work. If you're a professional, beneficial for you. And yep, that's also today. Thank you so much for watching this video. You have a wonderful day ahead.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.